Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Apple Journal app on iOS 17. So if you guys want to have this new Apple Journal app and how to use it, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so if you want to go ahead and learn how to do this, well, all we need to do first is to have our device actually updated to the new iOS 17 softwares. Once you've already done so, all we need to do is to locate the Apple Journal application on our device. So we do need to be aware first that if you do not have the Apple Journal application on your device just yet, well, that just means that your country is just not optimized to have this application just yet. Of course, Apple does just roll out this specific application onto specific countries since it is a new application. So they are just under the specific testing process of this application and see if it is worthy to be available on all countries. So basically, if you are those countries or you are in one of those countries who have this application, good for you. All we need to do now is just search for that application on our search bars and search for the Journal app. And once you've already done so, it's going to be pretty self-explanatory on how to use this application, because all we need to do is to launch it, and you could actually go ahead and add your own photos on there, just like what you would do on a physical journal that you have on your desk. You can actually write down your ideas, what you did throughout the day, your future plans, and everything that you would write that you would do on a specific physical journal. And that's all for this video, guys. That's how you guys could use a journal app on iOS 17. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.